Hi, my name is David. So I need help with my PSP. See, it's not working. Try to turn it on. Try to charge it. See, someone please help me. So I checked. I charged it. I charge it. Still not working. Did everything. Still not working. Take the battery out. Put it back in. Still not working. So help me with my PSP 3001. So help me. See, it's not working. Alright, thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.